Hi there, and welcome to Cooking with Saucy Shawn's Fine Eats, where we make real food for real people. Well, today we're going to do something really simple. We're going to make an ice cream cake for Canada. We're going to make an ice cream cake for Canada Day. So what's the Canadian flag? It's red, white, and red. So we're going to just take some ice cream in a, that's what, 11 by 13 dish, 10 by 9 by 13. Got some dark cherry vanilla. Normally I would use strawberry, but believe it or not, I couldn't find any strawberry last night. So we're going to dump this into this pan. We've let it soften for a while on the counter here. We don't want to let it soften too much. It's not nearly as red as I want it to be. Sigh. First world problems. But yeah, there was no strawberry ice cream. I was in Superstore last night. Couldn't find strawberry ice cream anywhere. I looked everywhere. This was about my only choice for something reddish. So we got it. Scoop it out, and we're just going to try and smush it out flat here. I could probably use a bigger pan for this, but this, well, what do you think, Sarah? 3 layers of that in there?
I don't think it's going to fit.
I don't think it's going to fit either. So we're going to go to my bigger pan here. See, I always said mistakes happen and we just keep working through them. So if you're down in the States and you're wondering what's Canada Day, well, it's July 1st. It's when we celebrate, it used to be called Dominion Day. It's just kind of the birthday of Canada. It's not like July 4th. It's kind of like July 4th, which is Ungrateful Traitors Day, but it's a little bit different. Primarily because we never had the war for independence, so
We don't celebrate as hard.
yeah, exactly. We still like to. So we just smooth this out. We don't want to let the ice cream fully melt because then it gets really crystallized when it refreezes. And if you can find strawberry ice cream, it will work so much better. Or you could even take vanilla ice cream, soften it, add in strawberries in a mixer, mix it all up. Oh, that would be so good. So we're going to take this, it's all smoothed out, we're going to go freeze it so this solidifies. While it's freezing, we're going to take out some vanilla ice cream, which is going to go in the middle. We're going to let it soften up, and then we're going to add more dark cherry vanilla on top of it. And it's going to look kind of reddish. Not as red as we want it to be. It's going to look white, really white, and it's going to look kind of reddish, but not as reddish as we want it to be. But it's Canada Day. It's okay. We're Canadians. We accept this. Okay, so we're back with our ice cream cake. We got our first layer of red. We're both disappointed. Sarah and I are both disappointed in how red it isn't. But it's been in the freezer for an hour or so. Just to firm it up a bit, we're going to put our white onto it. Just kind of scooping it off in little bits of layers here. There we go. Again, we've been leaving this ice cream soften for quite a while as well, so it's easy to work with. I think the only other time I did this, I was using big tubs of ice cream. That was fun. Oh, ice
Because
cream.
you were making it for like 300 people.
I was making it for like 300 people. Well, probably 250 for family camp. Or not family camp, but for
Teen camp.
whatever camp it was at Gull Lake. Yeah. That was fun though. I mean, at least the strawberry was red then. There we go. Oh, there's a little bit more to scrape in. So back in the freezer, we'll let this freeze up for a while, and then we'll get the other top softened up. And in a couple hours, we're going to have an ice cream cake. Okay, so we're back with our ice cream cake. The freezer's not freezing too quickly, so it's taking a little bit longer and letting this stuff melt really well, it looks like. Just going to put our third layer on it, which is red. This really isn't very red, this one.
Yeah.
Ugh, oh well. It's the thought that counts.
We're thinking of Canada, even if we might not end up looking like it.
Exactly. Let's see the Americans do this with their flag.
How do you put stars in ice cream cake, huh?
Exactly. Now this one, when serving, I think it would be perfect if you could get some of those little maple leaf, maple sugar candies. Stick them on top of each slice.
Yeah.
That would be where you'd have sugar on top of sugar on top of sugar on top of sugar. It's pinkish. It's a muted. Like Canadians are, don't get too excited about themselves. It's a muted red cake.
Or perhaps a flag that has flown a little too long and has seen the end of its best years.
Yes, because red does oxidize really easily. Okay, so there it is. We're going to put that in the freezer. If we're going to store it for a long time, we'll cover it up. And we're not going to store it. We'll slice it up after it's frozen, and we'll show you our wonderful Canada Day-ish cake. Well, here we have it, our finished ice cream cake. We got kind of reddish, white, reddish. Yeah, it would have been better with strawberry ice cream. But we're happy with this. It tastes good. And happy Canada Day. So, Saucy Shawn wishes you a happy day. We ask you to thumbs up our video and subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and share us with your friends, your enemies, your family, all of the above. They could all be the same person for all we know. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.